We're at Fluffy's and it's a sunny morning. Her dad Lucifer's here this morning. I hear Tabby, there she is. So all three are here today. Tabby's busy eating the treats that Jay tossed in her direction. RedTailed Hawk on an evergreen tree over near the Redwood cluster tree area. So where I'm standing, it's southwest of us. We've left Fluffy's. We're not yet to the Lutheran Church area. Jay spotted it and the sun is lighting it, so that makes for a decent view of a distant hawk. And it's over there. Okay, we have RedTailed Hawk and the Redwood cluster trees. We're standing in the back parking lot of the Lutheran Church, looking west. We have Collie here this morning. Dave's just put down the food for her. And here she comes to approach. It's okay. Come on. Come on, Collie. Breakfast. Hey, turn around. Keep your tail fanned out. Turn around. We got quail here, as well as the wild turkeys, Missy and Moreau. Hi, yes, we're going to put food out for everybody. Yes, we will. Hi. Hi there. Hi. The Red-tailed hawk on the cross of the church next door to Alvisa Adobe Park. It has its back towards us. And it's over there. We're at the back area of Alvisa Adobe Park, and we have several of the songbirds here for food. Not. Maybe just the one. We have a wild turkey on the eastern hillside behind the church next door to Alvisa Adobe Park. This is neither Missy nor Bro. It might be one of the turkeys from their family, which we haven't seen in a few months now. Back at Fluffy's. We have Fluffy and we have Tabby Cat. She's here this morning after breakfast. Okay. We'll back up and see if she'll come over and eat the treats that Jay put down for her. Further back. Come on, it's okay. Go get the treats. If you don't, she will. It's okay. Come on. Come on, Tabby. Oh, I guess she's not. Okay, Speedy, come on down.